How to download GTA Liberty City Story on Android. Hello everyone, this is Hazal here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's get started. First of all, open Play Store on your device. There in the search bar, search for GTA Liberty City Stories. After that, tap on the application and tap on install. And okay, so tap on OK. Then after, the GTA Liberty City story will be downloaded or installed to your mobile phone, and it will be visible on your home screen as the other apps icon. And after being scanned by the app scanner, it will be completely installed to your Android phone and you'll be able to use it. So that's all. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for now, and I'll catch you in the next one.